Hi, in this video I'm going to continue solving practice question calculating average and range for frequency data. What is the range of age? So the highest is 10. We minus by 2, 10 minus by 2. So the range of age is 8 years old. What is the model? So model is the highest frequency, which is 11. So the model age is 4 years old. What is the mean of the age? So first we need to find the total here. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 10 is 30. This is 44. 50. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 3 is 27. And 10 times 2 is 20. So find the total, which is 288, and we divide by 1 plus 10, 11, plus 11, 22, plus 10 is, we got 32, plus by 8, plus 5, plus 4, plus by 3, and plus by 2. So this will give us the answer of 54. So we just divide it. So the mean of age is 5.3. Sorry. So this is 5.3. Now what is the median? So now we got the total of frequency is 54. So we can divide by 2, 54. We divide by 2, so this 27. Let's find until 27. This is 11, plus 11 is 22. It's not yet. 22 plus 10 is 32. Okay, so 27 is here in 5 years old. So the median is 5 years old. Okay, two group competitor were at a karate competition. They measure in kilogram. The result listed. A, we need to draw an order back to back. Steam lead. Okay, to display the data. So I will write here is group A, lead, and this is the steam, the middle, and here is for group B, lead. Okay, you can make it. Okay, we can see from the number, then the smallest number from here, group A is, okay, what is the smallest number? Okay, here we find it, the 40th. So we write 4, it's the 40th number, and then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's start with group A. 40, 40, 40. Okay, there is no 40 for group A. So start with 5. 5. Okay, 56, 57, 57 again, 58, 59, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, starting with the smallest. So 56, so 5 and 6, and then 57, 5. So I will write 7 here. 7, 8, and 9. So we can make it key. This is the key. This is group A. So 8 and 5. This is represent 58 kilogram. Okay, let's cross. Now we got 60, 61, 69, 61 again, 62, 66, 65, 64, 66, 66, and 66. So starting with 0, the smallest, 60, and then we got 61 2 times, and 62, and we got 64, 65, and we got 66 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 66, we got 68 and 69. So let's cross all the 60. Now we is 70. Okay, we got 70, 70, 77, 71, 2, 2, 76, 73, 74, 75, and 74 here. Cross. Okay, so we got first is 70. We got 2 times here, 70 and 70 2 times. After 70 we got 71. So right here 72 2 times, 2, 2, 73, and 74 2 times, 75, 76, and 77. So let us cross. So, cross, 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 cross. Next is 8. Okay, we got only 80 and 81. So 80 and 81. Now is B. From 40, I think we got lost here. 40, 49, we got 47, 49, sorry, not 49, 47, 48. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 40, 47 2 times, 48, and 49 2 times. This is the key for group B. So 40 and 4 and 7, this is represent 47 kilogram. Group. So group. Here's a group. This represent. Next, now is from 50th. What we got? 59, 59, 51, and then 54, 56, 55, 57, 53, 58, 52. Okay, starting with the smallest, we got 51, 52, 53, 54 2 times, 56, 57 2 times, 58, and we got 359. 1, 2, 3. Now is 68, 62, 66, 67, 63, 64, 65, 66, 64, 66. So starting we got 62, 63, 64 2 times, 65, 66 3 times, 67, and 60. 70 we got 71, 7 and 1, and 72. Okay, there it is. Compare the two masses of the two groups using the range of median of each. Okay, the range. So let us make it the range here. So the highest for the range is 81. You minus with 56. So this is 25. Next for here the range 72, we minus by 40, so it's equal to 32. Median, the middle number. So how many number are there? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 30. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. Find the 15 number. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more, so 30 we divided by 2 is 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So this is the median 66. Now for here the median 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 58. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, okay, 30. That is correct. So in general, the group A are the heavier. So in general, let me write it here. General, group A is heavier than group B. So the distribution of the group A is more clustered around the higher values, and only 5 competitors of group A weighed less than 60. Only 5 together. So 18 competitor in the group B much less than 60 here, we can see. So if we compare, so the group A is heavier than the group B. I think there it is. And yeah, thank you.